who has been appointed as the new Chief of Research and Analysis Wing? Right answer is option A, Parag Jain. Which city has been officially declared as the leopard capital of India recently? Right answer is option C, Bengaluru. Who has recently been appointed as the 52nd Chief Justice of India? Right answer is option C, B.R. Gavai. Who has become the first Indian astronaut to travel to International Space Station? Right answer is option D, Subhanshu Shukla. Which country hosted the 51st G7 summit in 2025? Right answer is option A, Canada. The World Food Prize 2025 has been given to Dr. Marinjila Hungria. She belongs to which country? Right answer is option A, Brazil. Who is the author of the book Heart Lamp, who has received the International Booker Prize 2025? Right answer is option B, Banu Mastaq. Who has been awarded the 59th Gyanpith Award 2025? Right answer is option D, Vinod Kumar Sugla. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index released in July 2025? Right answer is option B, 77th rank. Who has been awarded the Pritzker Architecture Prize 2025? Right answer is option D, Liu Xiaokun of China. Who became the 11th Indian cricketer to be inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame? Right answer is option C, MS Dhoni. Who has been crowned as the 72nd Miss World 2025? Right answer is option D, Opal Suchata Chuangsri of Thailand. Who has been awarded the prestigious Abel Prize 2025? Right answer is option C, Masaki Kashiwara. Who has been appointed as a chairman of SEBI in February 2025? Right answer is option A, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Where was the 2025 World Hydrogen Summit held? Right answer is option A, Rotterdam in Netherlands. Chenab Bridge connects which two areas of Jammu and Kashmir? Right answer is option B, Kauri and Bakkal. Which state has launched advanced disaster risk warning system Kavacham? Right answer is option B, Kerala. In April 2025, which country has announced to adopt green cryptocurrency? Right answer is option D, Bhutan. In which country the world's largest white hydrogen reservoir has been found? Right answer is option C, France. Which country has become 54th nation to sign the Artemis Accords in April 2025? Right answer is option A, Bangladesh. Which country's airport was named as the world's best airport by Skytrax? Right answer is option B, Singapore. Which country will host the SCO Summit 2025 Heads of State Council? Right answer is option D, China. Which state has recently declared 2025 to 2035 as the decade of hydropower? Right answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Where has India's first butterfly sanctuary been established? Right answer is option A, Aralam in Kerala. Which country has recently launched the world's first crypto tourism payment system? Right answer is option B, Bhutan. Which country becomes the first Latin American country to back out from China's Belt and Road Initiative? Right answer is option B, Panama. Where is the headquarters of the National Turmeric Board established? Right answer is option D, Nizamabad in Telangana. Who has been elected as the president of the 18th session of the United Nations General Assembly? Right answer is option C, Annalena Baerbock. Who has been re-elected as the president of the New Development Bank? Right answer is option A, Dilma Rousseff. What is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index 2025? Right answer is option D, 10th rank. The NATO Summit 2025 was recently held in which country? Right answer is option B, Netherlands. Which team won the 2025 Women's Premier League? Right answer is option A, Mumbai Indians. Who won men's singles title in Australian Open 2025? Right answer is option C, Zanik Sinner. Which district has become India's first fully solar powered district in May 2025? Right answer is option D, Diu. Which country has officially joined the BRICS as a full member in January 2025? Right answer is option C, Indonesia. Who has been appointed as the 26th governor of RBI? Right answer is option A, Sanjay Malhotra. Which country will host the next Olympics in 2028? Right answer is option B, Los Angeles, USA. Recently, Kitchen and Minar wetlands of which state have been added to the Ramsar sites? Right answer is option D, Rajasthan. Who won the men's singles title of French Open 2025? Right answer is option C, Carlos Alcaraz. Who has won the women's singles title in Miami Open Championship 2025? Right answer is option A, Aryna Sabalenka. Who has been elected as 11th President of Asian Development Bank? Right answer is option B, Masato Kanda. Who has been appointed as a private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Right answer is option D, Nidhi Tiwari. Who has been appointed as new president of the Asian Cricket Council? Right answer is option C, Mohsin Naqvi. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option A, Thailand. Which country has recently joined the New Development Bank? Right answer is option B, Algeria. India's organic fisheries cluster was launched in which state? Right answer is option D, Sikkim. Who has been appointed as the President of International Court of Justice? Right answer is option B, Yuji Iwasawa. The world's largest renewable energy park is located in which state? Right answer is option D, Gujarat. Which team won the Kho World Cup 2025 in both men's and women's category by defeating Nepal? Right answer is option C, India, which has become the fourth capital in the northeast region, which is connected to the national rail network. Right answer is option A, Aizawl. Which country won the ICC Women's Under 19 T20 World Cup 2025 title? Right answer is option A, India, who has won both men's and women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025. Right answer is option B, India. What is India's rank in the Global Firepower Index 2025? Right answer is option D, fourth rank. India's largest international cruise terminal has been launched in which city? Right answer is option C, Mumbai. Tulsi Gabbard has been appointed as the National Intelligence Director of which country? Right answer is option A, USA. The RBI has granted non-banking financial company license to which e-commerce company? Right answer is option B, Flipkart, who has become the first Indian woman cricketer to score centuries in all three formats? Right answer is option D, Smriti Mandhana. Which country has become the second largest road network in the world? Right answer is option C, India. Where will India's first PPP green waste processing plant be established? Right answer is option A, Indore. According to World Bank, what is the projected economic growth of India for financial year 2025 to 26? Right answer is option A, 6.3%, which has become country's first ATM train. Right answer is option B, Panchvati Express, who has been recently appointed as the first woman president of International Olympics Committee. Right answer is option C, Kirsty Coventry, who topped the medal tally of the Khelo India Beach Games 2025. Right answer is option A, Manipur. Which country topped the medal tally at the ISSF Junior World Cup 2025? Right answer is option B, India, who won the Gold Mercury Award 2025 for peace and stability. Right answer is option D, Dalai Lama. Which of the following cities will host the 2025 World Athletics Championships? Right answer is option C, Tokyo, who has become first Indian to receive the Fred Darrington Sandmaster Award. Right answer is option B, Sudarshan Patnaik. Which state tops the medal tally of Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Right answer is option D, Maharashtra, who has won the Italian Open 2025. Right answer is option C, Carlos Alcacer. Where is the World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit Waves 2025 being held? Right answer is option B, Mumbai, who has become the head of the National Security Advisory Board. Right answer is option C, Alok Joshi. Where was the ninth edition of the Global Technology Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option A, New Delhi. Who has been appointed as a space secretary and the chairman of ISRO? Right answer is option B, V. Narayanan. How many players were honored with the Khel Ratna Award 2025? Right answer is option D, 4 players. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of CRPF? Right answer is option C, Gyanendra Pratap Singh, who recently won men's singles title in Wimbledon Open 2025. Right answer is option D, Jannik Sinner, who won the women's singles title in Wimbledon Open 2025. Right answer is option C, Iga Swiatek. Which country topped the medal tally of Asian Para Archery Championship 2025? Right answer is option A, China. Which country virtually hosted the 4th BIMSTEC Disaster Management Exercise 2025? Right answer is option B, India. Which state government has recently launched the Gaj Mitra scheme? Right answer is option D, Assam, who has been appointed as the first woman Director General of Railway Protection Force. Right answer is option C, Sonali Misra, which has become the first city to implement QR based digital house address system. Right answer is option A, Indore, who has become the 87th Grand Master of India. Right answer is option B, Era Hari Krishnan, who has become the president of the Badminton World Federation. Right answer is option A, Khun Ying Petama, who has been appointed as a CEO of UIDAI in January 2025. Right answer is option B, Bhuvnesh Kumar, who has recently become the chairman of 23rd Law Commission. Right answer is option D, Dinesh Maheshwari. Which country hosted the 17th BRICS Summit in 2025 recently? Right answer is option D, Brazil, who has topped the medal tally of 38th National Games 2025. Right answer is option B, SSCB, Services Sports Control Board. The Tamil Nadu government has announced the Greater Flamingo Sanctuary at which place? Right answer is option A, Dhanushkodi. Which team has won the 18th edition of the Indian Premier League? Right answer is option C, Royal Challengers Bengaluru, who has been appointed as new chairman of UPSC in May 2025. Right answer is option B, Ajay Kumar. Where has India's first transshipment port, Vizhinjam International Port, inaugurated? Right answer is option D, Kerala. Which country hosted the 46th ASEAN Summit 2025? Right answer is option C, Malaysia. The Golden Dragon 2025 joint military exercise was conducted between China and which country? Right answer is option A, Cambodia. Frederick Merz has become the new chancellor of which country? Right answer is option D, Germany. Which of the following countries has recently launched the Golden Visa? Right answer is option C, Vietnam, who has recently won the title of CAF Under 19 Championship 2025. Right answer is option A, India. What is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2025? Right answer is option B, 151st rank. What is India's rank in Human Development Index 2025 released by UNDP? Right answer is option D, 130th rank. Which location has recorded the highest snow leopard density in the world? Right answer is option C, Ladakh. Anurag Bhushan has recently become India's ambassador to which country? Right answer is option A, Sweden. Which of the following sports has been included in the Asian Games 2026? Right answer is option D, mixed martial arts. Who has topped the National Youth Athletics Championships 2025? Right answer is option B, Haryana. In which state will India's first AI-based data park be built? Right answer is option D, Chhattisgarh. Who won the women's singles title of French Open 2025? Right answer is option C, Coco Gauff. Which state won the 78th edition of Santosh Trophy National Football Championship title? Right answer is option C, West Bengal. Surya Kiran is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Right answer is option A, Nepal. Which country will host the FIDE World Chess Cup Championship 2025? Right answer is option B, India. Which country has topped the medal tally of the 9th Asian Winter Games 2025? Right answer is option D, China. Recently, chapata chilli of which state has received the GI tag? Right answer is option C, Telangana. Exercise Tiger Trimp is a bilateral military exercise conducted between India and which country? Right answer is option D, USA. Where was the National Maritime Games 2025 recently inaugurated? Right answer is option C, Mumbai. Asia's vertical lift bridge, Pamban Bridge, has been inaugurated in which state? Right answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. According to the report released by SIPRI, what is India's rank in terms of highest military expenditure? Right answer is option C, 5th rank. International Day for Biological Diversity 2025 was celebrated on which day? Right answer is option D, 22nd May. Who has been appointed as the director of CBI till May 2026? Right answer is option C, Praveen Sood. Which country will host the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Right answer is option A, Glasgow in Scotland. Which team has recently won the Ranji Trophy title by defeating Kerala? Right answer is option B, Vidarbha. Who has been appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner in February 2025? Right answer is option C, Gyanesh Kumar. Who became the first Kannada writer to win the International Booker Prize 2025? Right answer is option A, Banu Mastaq. Which Indian state has been officially declared as country's first fully literate state? Right answer is option B, Mizoram. India has won the ICC Champions Trophy 2025 by defeating which country? Right answer is option C, New Zealand. Which year has been declared as the year of Gaganyaan by ISRO? Right answer is option A, 2025. How many medals did India win in World Boxing Cup 2025? Right answer is option B, 6 medals. Khechio-Palri wetland is the first Ramsar wetland site of which Indian state? Right answer is option D, Sikkim. Which state topped the Niti Aayog's first fiscal health index 2025? Right answer is option C, Odisha. Who became the first Indian to receive the prestigious Ramsar Award for wetland wise use? Right answer is option B, Jayashree Venkatesan. Which state will host the 5th Khelo India University Games 2025? Right answer is option A, Rajasthan. Saudagari block print of which state has recently received the GI tag? Right answer is option A, Gujarat. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of Intel in March 2025? Right answer is option B, Lip Bhutan, which has become the 123rd country to sign the International Solar Alliance Framework Agreement. Right answer is option D, Angola. Where was the world's first nuclear energy summit held recently? Right answer is option A, Belgium. India and which country will jointly celebrate the year 2026 as the year of culture, tourism and artificial intelligence? Right answer is option B, Spain. Who has been appointed as Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Right answer is option D, K. Sanjay Murthy. Who has been awarded with the Digital Transformation Award 2025? Right answer is option C, RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Mark Carney has been sworn as the new Prime Minister of which country? Right answer is option A, Canada. Which city will host the 5th Asian Youth Para Games in 2025? Right answer is option B, Dubai, UAE. How many tiger reserves are there in India as of March 2025? Right answer is option D, 58. Where was the COP15 conference of the Ramsar Convention held? Right answer is option B, Zimbabwe. Who has been recently awarded the Pen Pinter Prize 2025? Right answer is option D, Leela Abolela. Where will the first ever Khelo India Water Sports Festival be held? Right answer is option C, Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir. ISRO launched Nisar satellite with which space agency? Right answer is option A, NASA. Recently, when was the International Day of Cooperatives celebrated? Right answer is option B, 5th July. Which country has become the world's 4th largest biofuel consumer? Right answer is option D, India. What is India's rank in the Hurun Global Unicorn Index 2025? Right answer is option C, third rank. How many districts will be covered under the Pradhan Mantri Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana in 2025 to 26? Right answer is option A, 100 districts. Asia's largest jungle safari will be set up in which state? Right answer is option B, Haryana. Who has been recently appointed as the chairperson of the National Financial Reporting Authority? Right answer is option D, Nitin Gupta. In which state was India's first aquatech park inaugurated recently? Right answer is option C, Assam. India with which country conducted the PASIX naval exercise in July 2025? Right answer is option A, Greece. What was the theme for International Yoga Day 2025? Right answer is option A, Yoga for One Earth, One Health, which has become the first state of India to introduce mobile-based e-voting facility. Right answer is option B, Bihar. India with which country will co-host the ICC Women's ODI World Cup 2025? Right answer is option D, Sri Lanka. Who has won the Kalinga Cup 2025? Right answer is option C, Goa FC. Who won the Booker Prize 2024 for her novel Orbital? Right answer is option A, Samantha Harvey. Who has won the Elan Border Medal 2025 at Australian Cricketer Awards? Right answer is option B, Travis Head. What is the rank of India in the Corruption Perception Index released in February 2025? Right answer is option D, 96th rank. Which of the following has recently got the status of Navratna? Right answer is option C, both A and B, IRCTC and IRFC. Who has topped the Khelo India Winter Games 2025 medal tally? Right answer is option A, Indian Army. Who has been selected as the Wisden Cricketer of the Year 2025? Right answer is option C, Jasprit Bumrah. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Audi India? Right answer is option D, Neeraj Chopra. The 14th edition of the bilateral naval exercise Indra 2025 recently took place between India and which country? Right answer is option B, Russia. Who won the Tata Steel Masters 2025 title at Netherlands in February 2025? Right answer is option A, R. Pragananda. Who has been recently appointed as the Chief Minister of Delhi? Right answer is option C, Rekha Gupta. Where will the 12th BRICS Parliamentary Forum be held in 2026? Right answer is option D, India. Which country has launched Operation Midnight Hammer against Iran? Right answer is option C, USA. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Wildlife Sanctuary will be set up in which district of Madhya Pradesh? Right answer is option D, Sagar. Where is India's first e-waste eco park is being established? Right answer is option B, Delhi. Which country has topped the medal tally at the Asian Athletics Championships 2025? Right answer is option C, China, who has been reappointed as the chairman of Central Board of Direct Taxes till June 2026. Right answer is option A, Ravi Agarwal. Which team has won 2025 ICC World Test Championship? Right answer is option B, South Africa. What is name of mascot for the 2025 World Para Athletics Championships? Right answer is option D, Viraj. What is India's rank in the 2025 Sustainable Development Goals Index? Right answer is option C, 99th rank. What is India's rank in the recently released Global Gender Gap Report 2025? Right answer is option A, 131st rank. The International Olympic Committee has included which sport in the 2028 Olympic Games? Right answer is option B, cricket. Which country won the Asian Women's Kabaddi Championship 2025 title? Right answer is option D, India. Who won the gold at Paris Diamond League 2025? Right answer is option B, Neeraj Chopra. Which state has become the first state to implement the Uniform Civil Code after independence? Right answer is option A, Uttarakhand. Where has the world's largest wildlife rescue center, Vantra, been inaugurated? Right answer is option C, Gujarat. Which film has won the award for the Best Picture at the 97th Academy Awards 2025? Right answer is option D, Anora. Madhav National Park, the 58th Tiger Reserve of India, is located in which state? Right answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Who has won the title of Asian Snooker Championship 2025? Right answer is option A, Pankaj Advani. Which city was the host of the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention 2025? Right answer is option C, Bhubaneswar in Odisha. Which country is the host of Artificial Intelligence AI Action Summit 2025? Right answer is option D, France. How many individuals were awarded with the Padma Award 2025? Right answer is option B, 139 individuals. Which country has recently joined the OPEC Plus? Right answer is option A, Brazil. Who has become the world's youngest chess champion in 2024? Right answer is option C, D. Gukesh. Which state will host the 39th edition of the National Games in 2027? Right answer is option D, Meghalaya. Who has won the BBC Sportswoman of the Year 2024? Right answer is option B, Manu Bhaker. Which country won the third Sabha Women's Basketball Championship title 2025? Right answer is option A, India. Where was the World Sustainable Development Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option C, New Delhi. Who has become the fastest cricketer to score 14,000 runs in ODI? Right answer is option D, Virat Kohli. What is the new name for Port Blair? Right answer is option B, Sri Vijaypuram. Where was the India's first open air art wall museum inaugurated recently? Right answer is option A, New Delhi. Where is the world's first CO2 to methanol plant inaugurated? Right answer is option C, Vindhyachal in Madhya Pradesh. Which country will host the 10th ICC Women's T20 World Cup in 2026? Right answer is option D, England. Who has been reappointed as the chairman of DRDO recently? Right answer is option C, Samir V. Kamath. Which Indian origin astronaut set a new record for the longest space walking time by a woman? Right answer is option A, Sunita Williams. Which Indian state has the highest GDP collection in 2025? Right answer is option B, Maharashtra. What was the theme for the World Earth Day 2025? Right answer is option C, Our Power, Our Planet. Who has been recently appointed as the new CEO of International Cricket Council? Right answer is option C, Sanjog Gupta. Who won the FIDE Women's Chess World Cup 2025 by defeating Koneru Humpy? Right answer is option C, Divya Deshmukh. Who was appointed as the new Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh in July 2025? Right answer is option A, Kavinder Gupta. Which ISRO chief has been honored with the GP Birla Memorial Award in July 2025? Right answer is option B, V. Narayanan. In which state is India's first green data center being established? Right answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Which city was declared as India's cleanest city for the 8th time in 2025? Right answer is option C, Indore. Which country has recently qualified for the 2026 T20 World Cup for the first time in its history? Right answer is option A, Italy. Recently, which state launched Operation Kalnemi against fake scents? Right answer is option B, Uttarakhand. The world's largest hydropower dam is being built by which country? Right answer is option D, China. Which country is the host of FIDE Chess World Cup 2025? Right answer is option C, India. The Jai Mata exercise will be held between India and which country? Right answer is option A, Japan. Which country will host the 2025 Artistic Gymnastic World Championships? Right answer is option B, Indonesia. Which country will host the Shooting World Cup in 2027? Right answer is option D, India. Who won the Pen Translate Award for the Once Elephants Lived Here? Right answer is option C, Gitanjali Sri. Recently, Yaktin village of which state was announced as India's first digital nomad village? Right answer is option A, Sikkim. Recently, India's second largest cable stayed bridge opened in which state? Right answer is option C, Karnataka. Where was the Gorbia solar power project inaugurated in July 2025? Right answer is option A, Rajasthan. Who recently won the Rapid title in the 2025 Grand Chess Tournament? Right answer is option B, D. Gukesh. Which country will become 21st member of the Eurozone from January 2026? Right answer is option D, Bulgaria, who has become the winner of the 2025 Chess Cup Masters. Right answer is option C, R. Pragananda. Which country hosted the G7 summit in 2025? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer in this video comment box. Now see you soon the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.